Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be guided on how to find child settings. Many of you don't know where child settings is, and in today's video, I'm going to be guiding you on how to find that. I know it's very easy for my subscribers, okay? If this is the first time you come across the channel, please do it to subscribe. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into the video. First, all you need to do is to log into your child app, and after that, this is what you're going to be seeing on the screen. The next step you need to take is to click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. The next thing you need to do is to scroll gently and you will see your settings right here. Yeah, it's on red. So here is options we have for settings. You can go ahead and sign out, delete account, user ID. Here is your user ID and terms and service, privacy policy, and app version. So that's it on how to find settings on Chai app. If you found this the helpful course of content in this video, please do it to subscribe. Let me in the comment section if you find anything difficult on Chai app. I won't hesitate to give you guys feedback. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.